What will you learn in this video? In this video, we are going to talk about how to improve your English speaking skills by avoiding some of the most common mistakes that learners often make. Many English learners speak with confidence, but they still make small errors that affect their fluency. These mistakes are not always because of a lack of vocabulary or grammar knowledge, but because of bad habits or confusion. In this video, you will learn what these common errors are and how to fix them. By the end, you will feel more confident and sound more natural when you speak English. 1. Speaking too fast or too slow. One of the first things learners struggle with is their speaking speed. Some people speak too fast because they are nervous and they try to say everything quickly. This makes their sentences unclear. On the other hand, some learners speak too slowly because they are translating each word from their native language to English in their minds. Both habits can make communication difficult. Solution: try to speak at a natural pace. Don't rush and don't pause too much. Practice with simple sentences. Record your voice and listen to it. It helps you notice how fast or slow you speak. 2. Using the wrong tense. Another very common mistake is using the wrong tense while speaking. For example, learners might say, "Yesterday I go to the market," instead of "Yesterday I went to the market." Using the correct tense helps others understand when the action happened. Solution: review your tenses regularly. Start with simple past, present, and future tenses. Try to speak in complete sentences using these tenses. Daily speaking practice can help reduce this mistake. 3. Translating directly from native language. Many learners think in their native language and then translate each word into English. This often leads to strange sentence structures and errors. English has its own sentence order, expressions, and style. Solution: try to think in English. Start by naming things around you in English. Then move to short thoughts or actions. For example, instead of thinking, "Main pani peene ja raha hoon," try to directly think, "I'm going to drink water." 4. Not practicing speaking enough. A lot of learners spend time reading or writing in English, but do not practice speaking. Speaking is a skill that improves with regular use. Just understanding English is not enough. Solution: talk to yourself in English. Practice speaking with a friend, teacher, or even in front of a mirror. Join conversation groups or language exchange partners online. Use every chance you get to speak. 5. Mispronunciation of common words. Mispronouncing words can create confusion, even if your grammar is correct. English spelling and pronunciation are not always the same, so it's easy to make mistakes. Solution: listen to native speakers through movies, podcasts, or YouTube. Repeat what you hear. Use a dictionary with audio support to check the correct pronunciation of difficult words. Focus more on commonly used words in daily conversations. 6. Ignoring sentence stress and intonation. English is a stress-timed language. This means that some words are stressed more than others in a sentence. Ignoring this can make your English sound robotic or flat. Solution: listen to how native speakers stress different words. Practice repeating after them. Record your voice and compare it. Try using rhythm and melody in your speech to make it sound more natural. 7. Overusing fillers like you know. It's normal to use fillers when we are thinking, but too many fillers can make your speech sound weak or uncertain. Solution? When you're unsure, take a short pause instead of using fillers. Silence is better than saying too many times. With practice, your confidence will grow, and you'll depend less on fillers. 8. Being afraid of making mistakes. Many learners hesitate to speak because they're afraid of making errors, but this fear slows down your improvement. Mistakes are a part of learning. Solution: accept that mistakes are natural. Don't wait for perfect sentences. Speak and learn from your errors. Confidence grows with practice, not by avoiding speaking. 9. Using too many complicated words. Sometimes learners try to use big or advanced words to sound smart, but if they use them wrongly, it creates confusion. Clear communication is more important than fancy words. Solution: use simple and correct words. Focus on making your message clear. As you grow, you'll naturally start using more advanced vocabulary. 10. Poor listening habits. Good speaking starts with good listening. If you don't understand how English is spoken, it's hard to speak it well. Many learners don't pay enough attention to how English sounds. Solution: listen carefully to English content. Try shadowing practice repeat immediately after a speaker. This helps you learn pronunciation, sentence structure, and flow. 11. Incorrect use of prepositions. Prepositions like in, on, at, to, and for can be tricky. Many learners say, "I am good in English" instead of "I am good at English." Solution: pay attention to how prepositions are used in real conversations. Make a list of common phrases and practice them. Practice makes it easier to remember the correct usage. 12. Not expanding answers. When asked a question, some learners give very short answers like yes or no, which doesn't help in real conversations. It makes the dialogue weak and boring. Solution: try to add a little more information to your answers. For example, instead of just saying yes, say, "Yes, I love watching English movies, especially comedies." 13. Using the same words again and again. Repetition of the same words shows a lack of vocabulary range. For example, using very good for everything very good food, very good movie, very good person. Solution: learn synonyms. Instead of very good, try excellent, amazing, wonderful. Read or listen to English daily to learn new words. Then, try to use them in your speaking. 14. Not asking questions. A conversation is a two-way street. If you don't ask questions, it becomes one-sided and short. Some learners forget this and only give answers. Solution: practice asking questions. Use question words like what, where, when, why, and how. For example, instead of only answering, "I like reading," you can say, "I like reading. What about you?" 15. Failing to use contractions. Native speakers often use contractions like I'm, don't, can't, he's. If you don't use them, your speech might sound too formal or unnatural. Solution: practice using contractions when speaking. Listen to how native speakers use them in everyday conversations and try to copy that style. Conclusion. What have we learned in this video? In this video, we discussed how to improve English speaking by avoiding common mistakes. We looked at issues like speaking too fast or slow, using the wrong tense, translating from your native language, mispronunciations, and overuse of fillers. We also talked about the importance of listening, using contractions, expanding your answers, and avoiding repetition. If you avoid these errors and keep practicing regularly, your English speaking will become more fluent and natural. Keep speaking, keep learning, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you grow as a confident English speaker.